Dober večer, gledalke in gledalci, in lepo pozdravljeni v 13. sezoni vaše najljubše satirične oddaje.
Tako je, kajdogaja je nazaj, yeah!
Kot do zdaj, tudi danes z vami magister Baltič.
Potem politična telenovela Palomar.
Z nami bo Robi Petan, naš gost bo Marko Hatlak, javil se nam bo predsednik Vučić, ki ima za nas tudi posebno darilo na mali terasi, še prej pa... Tilman!
The cameras roll, we're laughing in the studio. Check the latest headlines, making sure we're good to go. The lights are shining bright through the screen, the world just carries on outside. The music plays, the jokes are clear, but we can shake this fear inside. How many shows do we have left together? We never know. All I know is I don't want to face the final show. How many shows do we have left together? We never know. We never know. But tonight we glow. The boss decides. One big joke and we are off the air. They caught the feed like we were never even there.